Hey there, if you are a reader like me and you want to read more books but somehow you are not able to manage it reading in some certain specific time, so you are at the right place. Today I'm going to share some of the tips that will help you in reading more and more books in a certain period of time, and of course reading it more efficiently. So yeah, let's start with the video. So my name is Anupriya and welcome back to my channel. And today guys I have a bonus tip also, so watch this video till the end. Yeah, so let's start with the video. The first tip that I want to share with you is you have to be you have to make some connection with the book. Okay, so once you buy a book you should make a connection with that book. You have to read the cover page, the introduction and the last page. I know it may take some time, but yeah, without having any interest in book you will not be able to read the whole book completely. Okay, and you will not get the exact information. So yeah, bring some interest and become engaged with that book. This was the first tip and you should not skip it guys, seriously you should not skip this first step. Now the second tip that I want to share with you is, once you have read these three pages, you have to read the context of the book. Now in the context you have to highlight the section that you feel is more important for you and more useful for you. So you have to read those content first, then starting it with the first lesson or first chapter. So yeah, this was the second tip. Now the third tip is, once you have started and once you have started reading, then what you have to do is you have to read loudly and you have to use your fingers to go through the book. Why I'm saying this? Because once you read loudly you will hear your voice. Okay, and once you hear your voice you will be more focused on the content, on the words that are given, and it is very helpful for reading fastly. And of course your mind will also not wander here and there, so it will be very helpful. Now the third tip that I want to share with you is, this is the fourth tip I guess. Yeah, so the fourth tip is, once you choose a para or once you got the section what you want to read is, then what you have to do is you have to choose the words, or you have to see the words that are given in the content or that para, and you have to predict the information that is given in that book. And I'm sure that you will be predicting 80 or 90% correctly. Okay, so this was the fourth tip, and now the fifth tip, and this is the bonus tip guys. So the fifth tip is, what you have to do is you have to choose a para. Whatever para you are reading, you have to take that para, you have to read the first three line and last three line of that para. And after reading these lines you will get the idea of the whole para. I'm sure you will get 95% to the information of that para. And now you, if you want to skip that para, you can skip that para. Or if you still want to read that para, just go through go through that para, and you should read like, you should read like skim reading. Okay, you know that skim reading, read it fastly, very fastly. Okay, you have to do that. Now the sixth point, this is the last, but it's not the least. So yeah, the sixth point is, you once you started reading you have to highlight, or you have to mark, or you have to fold the page that you feel is more interesting for you or more helpful for you. Why I'm saying this? Because after reading this book or whatever book you are reading, after completing it, you should know what you gained. Okay, it's very important, because without knowing what you gain, it's like almost wasteful for you. You have to highlight that point, or highlight the phrase that you feel is more helpful or more fascinating for you, and you will find it more uh, it will be very helpful for you. So, and in long term, in thinking of long term, you will not lose your confidence also. You will keep your interest, and it will help in reading more books also. So yeah, these were my six tips that I used to follow. And the last tip that I want to say is, once I was reading this book, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari by Robin Sharma. Once I started that book, I knew everything. Okay, I was feeling like I know this point also, I know this point also. So I go through a skim reading. I read it very fastly, but after reading that book, I was not that much satisfied. So what I did is I marked the points that I find more helpful for me, or the points that are more applicable for me. So I marked that point, and after doing this I was like satisfied. Oh my god, okay, I have read that book completely. It was, I got this feeling. So yeah, this sixth point is very important. So yeah, these were the tips that I wanted to share with you. I hope you have enjoyed this video and it is helpful for you. So let me know in the comment section, after doing these tips you are able to complete your target or not. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, take care.